Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a triangle. In fact, I could see two right angle triangles, okay? PQS, that's the first right angle triangle that we could see. And PQR, the second right angle triangle, okay? So this will be helpful later on should we need to tap on our knowledge of trigonometric ratios. Okay, so for this particular question, we are given the following, or the side, some of the sides of the triangles. So we are supposed to find for part A, angle QPR. So in this case, right, you will notice that to find angle QPR, which is here, Mr. Tan here will just focus on the green color right angle triangle. And if you're not very good at seeing that, then this is what I would actually advise. I would actually advise you to do a sketch of that triangle out. Q, R, and P with the sides 24, 7, and 25. And this is the angle we are trying to find. So for this particular question, right, part A, since they give us all three sides, it is up to you which ratio we want to use. Okay, so I repeat, we could use all three ratio, 3, 4, and so since we have all three sides, so depending on which two sides you want to use. So for example, if I want to use tangent ratio, I would then have to use my opposite side and my adjacent side here, O and A. And I could then find my tangent Q PR using my tangent ratio. Opposite, which will be 7, over adjacent side, which will be my 24. And therefore angle QPR is therefore the tangent inverse of 7 over 24. This will give me a value of 16.260 to 3 decimal place, 16.3 degrees to 1 decimal place. And do ensure that your calculator mode is in degrees, since we are working with degree. Next, we are supposed to find angle QSP, which is here. So in this case, right, I would focus on my blue color triangle. And if you are not very good at seeing them in this form, then I would actually suggest that you could do this. You could actually sketch this QPS triangle out. This is 24. QS will be 7 plus 23, 30. And we are supposed to find this angle, QSP. Now, given Tua Kaso, and now I have only two sides. One is my adjacent side, and one is my opposite side. O and A, which ratio do you think could help us to solve for the unknown angle QSP? Brilliant. We are going to use the tangent ratio to help us to find angle QSP. O is 24 divided by A, adjacent side 30. So to find angle QSP, I will need to tap on the inverse of the tangent. 24 over 30, and do make sure that your calculator is in degrees, since we are working with degrees for this question. And when I round up to 3 decimal place, followed by final answer to 1 decimal place. That is for part B done. Let's take a look at part C, where we will need to find angle RPS. My RPS is this angle here. Well, if I'm able to find QPS, meaning this angle here, which I can find that easily because I would have gotten my QSP, then I would be able to find the purple angle RPS easily, because angle QPS, which is here, now that we know angle QSP 38.660 degrees, I would be able to, for part C, angle QPS is simply 180 degrees minus away my 90 degree and minus away my 38.660 degrees to give me a value of 51.340 degrees. And with that, I can then let me just snip this out so that we could move this over. Oops, sorry. Yes. And this will be my S here. Now with this whole thing as 51.340 degrees, and previously from part A, which I'm going to draw your attention here, 16.260, I will be able to get my angle RPS easily, simply using 51.340 degrees minus my 16.260 degrees, and this will be the final answer. 35.080 degrees, 35.1 degrees to 1 decimal place. This is the working, so 3 decimal place. And with that, we have come to the end of this particular question. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.